In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bank details to an invoice in Xero. Having your bank details show clearly on every invoice is essential because it makes it much easier for your customers to pay you on time. I'll walk you through the exact path in Xero so you can update your invoice template once and then reuse it for all future invoices. Start by logging into your Xero account and heading to the main dashboard. From there, look towards the top menu and click on the Sales tab. This is where Xero keeps everything related to money coming into your business, like quotes, invoices, and credit notes. Once you're in the sales area, select Invoices. This will open a list of your existing invoices, along with options to create new ones. To move into the invoice layout and settings, click on New Invoice. Don't worry, we're not actually sending an invoice right now. We're just using this screen to access the invoice settings. On the new invoice screen, look for the three dots icon, usually in the top right corner of the page. This icon opens additional options related to invoices. Click on the three dots, and from the drop-down menu that appears, choose Invoice Settings. This will take you out of the individual invoice view and into the area where you can control how your invoice templates look and what information they include. In the Invoice Settings page, you'll see a list of your existing invoice templates. Find the template you normally use for your customers. On the right-hand side of that template, click on the Options menu, then select Edit. This will open the detailed settings for that specific template. Inside the template editor, look for the section where you can add or edit standard text that appears on your invoices, such as payment terms or footer notes. In that area, type in your bank details exactly as you want customers to see them. For example, you might include the bank name, account number, and any reference you want customers to use. Keep the wording clear and concise so there's no confusion when they make a payment. After you've entered your bank details and double-checked that everything is correct, scroll down and click Save. Xero will update the template, and from now on, any invoice you create using this template will automatically include your bank details, saving you time and reducing mistakes.